Governor Spencer Cox held a ceremonial signing today for a series of bills expanding mental health and coverage for children.
As Fox 13's Ben Winslow reports from Capitol Hill, they'll have a big effect on your life.
The governor invited lawmakers and children's health advocates for a ceremony to highlight the bills. Let's go through what they do. Some bills expand children's access to health care, including expanded coverage and mental health resources available to them. Another bill came out of the COVID-19 pandemic. It requires insurance carriers to cover therapy visits over telehealth like many other doctors' visits.
We wanted to standardize the practice and make sure every Utahn that has insurance coverage should have access to, use telehealth as a tool in the middle of a pandemic, and this actually extends that for a permanent way.
Now, another big bill, it creates and funds the 988 crisis hotline. That works a lot like 911 when you see an emergency, but 988 is specifically being set up for people with mental health crises.
The person answering the call will be a social worker. It will be a licensed clinician that is capable of taking these suicide calls and talking that person through the worst moments and the worst pain of their lives. If they don't actually need that level of care, then they can actually be transferred to what's called a warm line. And with the warm line, we can help you find therapists that are on your insurance plan. If you don't have insurance, we can get you qualified for Medicaid. We can help you find nonprofits that will serve.
And the 988 crisis line is expected to be fully set up by next year. On the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News.